What's going on, guys? Markie from the YouTube channel Online Certification Course. Here I put a tutorial together in regards to hotel management. Hospitality is still going through the roof despite everything that's going on. Come get certified, learn to pick up your team, handle the front desk staff through sales, work the kitchen, become a concierge of the hotel industry. And I'm going to show you how right after this intro. Whether you're just starting out in hospitality industry or looking for a career change or just want to learn more, now is a good time as any to grow what you know. In this guide, I'll explain hospitality management as to what it is, list some of the types of jobs that are available, plus what they pay. Provide a simple 3-step process for how to go about getting a job within the industry and much more. What's going on, guys? This is Markie Williams and welcome to my channel, Online Certification Courses. This is the channel where you can learn a new skill set or brush up on an old one. Continuous education and improvement should always be priority if you want to stay current in your field of work and plus get paid your worth. Enjoy the tutorial and all the links will be down in the description below. Please make sure you like if this tutorial was informative. Please subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out any training courses you may want to pick up. Comment below as to what you'd like to get certified in and I could personally send you a link to check out. So let's get started. Hospitality management is a career path that typically falls under the hotels, resorts, and lodging industry. Professionals in this field create and run many aspects of the guest experience. They often manage teams that include front desk staff, housekeeping, and sales. Great hospitality managers care about how much their customers enjoy their experience and are looking for new ways to improve every aspect of a visit whenever possible. The main types of properties in which hospitality managers often work include hotels, motels, resorts, and condos. You also find hospitality managers working in casinos, private transportation, retail food and beverage, and more. So as you can see, each business type has its own unique needs and customers' archetypes. Of course, it's good to have an idea of which one you would like to specialize in before you start applying for hospitality manager jobs. Some general day-to-day activities include communicating across departments, keeping track of budget, expenses, hiring new staffs, but these and any additional responsibilities vary. For example, hospitality managers at large or chain hotels may develop career programs to help other employees get to where they are. Two main goals of hospitality management professionals are to make customers happy and stay within the given budget. These goals often conflict, such as when a guest would like a full refund for their multi-night stay. It's up to the hospitality manager to figure out what the property can afford and how can they make it up to the customer and how the people who directly field these complaints should go about resolving them. The biggest difference is scope. Hospitality management covers everything from lodging to entertainment to retail. But as the name implies, hotel management is typically limited to hotels. However, that's not to say that there aren't still a wide variety of hotel property types, brands, styles, and opportunities within the field. Because hospitality management is such a broad term, it's good to learn about some of the types of jobs you'll be qualified for before you pursue advanced education. Here's a sample of a few hospitality management roles, how much you can expect to make, and some of the things you may do when you're on the job. Hotel manager. Salary, average base pay of $89K according to Glassdoor. Daily activities may include supervise front desk and housekeeping staff, network with suppliers, implement financial procedures including expenses, payrolls, and forecasting. Property operation manager. Salary, average base pay of $83K according to Glassdoor. Daily activities may include bring in group travel leads and new business opportunities, assist with property acquisitions as well as daily management, improve and maintain high level of guest satisfaction. Restaurant manager. Salary, average base pay of $45K according to Glassdoor. Daily activities may include maintain safety and food quality standards, order supplies for employees and customer use and keep stock levels of those supplies, establish relationships with vendors and research new opportunities. Here, you will discover how to become a hospitality management professional in 3 steps. If you check off each of these 3 action items, you'll put yourself in a good position to land a job and have a competitive edge over other applicants. Number 1, get the right hospitality degree and certification. Degrees and certification vary for everyone, but it should generally be one that you can afford, offer specialization courses within the niche you want to work, and has a high value networking opportunity that can get you placed where you want to be. Number 2, develop your skills while furthering your education. There are plenty of ways to improve your skills by watching relevant videos, engaging with thought leaders on social media, listening to industry podcasts. Whether or not you have a degree, you should strongly consider addressing these resources to your skills development list. Lodge and Leader, a weekly podcast covering news, trends, and interviews with successful people in the field. Hospitality Academy, a backlog of podcast episodes created to teach listeners about making operations more efficient and more lucrative. Some podcasts offer customer experience tips based on his 3 decades working in the luxury hotel industry, which is Bill Quissing. Number 3, network with targeted brand online. One of the best ways to effectively network from home is to explore your social media connections and let direct connections in the industry know that you're interested in hospitality management. Search their connections too and ask them for an introduction to anyone who works in the hospitality industry. You can also look for virtual conferences, roundtables, and networking opportunities through professional associations such as the American Hotel and Lodging Association. Form speaker series. Introduce yourself to the speaker, host, and participant afterward, letting them know that you're interested in the field and that you're available. The must-known tips for working in the hospitality management. Here are some of the ways to impress hiring managers at a hospitality management job interview or excel at your current position long term. Get to know the ins and outs of every department you manage. For example, if you work in a hotel, you have to be very familiar with catering, event planning, front desk operations, and much more. Keep tabs on the latest news from the World Health Organization and your country's Department of Tourism so you know the latest on how to keep your employees and customers safe. Be familiar with cutting-edge marketing and business intelligence software so you can be more efficient when you're on the job. Create or gather templates for daily tasks each department is responsible for so you can standardize the workflow across all areas and train new hires faster. Develop a culture of listening on regularly collecting feedback from guests and implementing it to elevate their experience. You can do this offline through incentivized feedback cards or online with free social media monitoring tools such as Social Mention. Many thanks for taking some time to check out my tutorial. All the links will be in the description below. Please subscribe so you won't miss out on any training courses you may want to pick up. Comment done and I'll reply back to you. You can also check me out on Facebook under Markie Williams, and there I also have a page online certification course there you can like and follow as well. Please make sure you check out these certification courses as well that's floating around. I hope to catch you on the next tutorial. Many thanks. It's Markie Williams, and I'm out.